this is more like a sequence or second part to the previous webinar which we had on radiation and the harmful effects of electromagnetic radiation. So all this while we have been discussing the problems, the causes of electromagnetic radiation, etc. So obviously, it is imperative that we discuss solutions as well, because there is a problem. And how do we combat this problem? What are the solutions? And it is basically high time that we start looking at this issue with a lot of seriousness, and we uh, get these for ourselves, for our customers, because this is a big problem at large and we need to arrest it. So I will hand over the session to Mayank sir. He will take us through all the tangible, intangible solutions. Yeah. So, all over to Mayank sir.
So friends, Bhushali has already explained you and told you that this is a continuation of what we have already discussed. And this is most important because the problems have been identified. Can you guys hear me properly?
Yes, sir. We are able to hear you, sir. Good evening, sir.
We can hear you, but we cannot see you. I don't know why.
No, sir is visible, madam. Sir is visible, actually.
You have to close your eyes. Maybe you can see me then.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. So this is where we are now. So namaste and good evening to all people who have joined a bit late. Bhushali madam has already told you guys that we are continuing the Friday talk from 7 to 8 p.m. every Friday these days, and try to bring you the new things instead of making it a workshop where you have to pay and I have to do a lot of technical stuff. We are trying to make things and life simpler. So ये particular webinar इसीलिए बनाया गया है क्योंकि हम चाहते हैं कि problems तो हमने जो पिछली बार आइडेंटिफाई की थी उसका सॉल्यूशन निकले, उसके रास्ते निकले, उसके राह मिले और उस प्रॉब्लम से आप दूर हो जाएं. So we are trying to give you this solution and try to make you understand how things needs to be shielded. Now in this presentation I have divided the whole process into 3 parts, and first and foremost is the self-help, where you don't need any technical support in biohelp. A lot of things which we can do ourselves sitting at home in front of this technology is using the technology and still protecting ourselves. So this is what I am trying to show you guys, that what is this self-help. Self-help is where you do the things, you protect yourself, you become aware, you become literate. Don't be ignorant that the problems will affect you in a later time. So radiation, as I've already told you last time, is intangible. You can't see them. You can't see a mobile range, a mobile sound vibration coming and going into your ears. You cannot see the visual, the light rays going into your retina from your mobile. You can't see them, but it is happening. That means there is some kind of phenomena, some kind of vibrations happening in this environment, in this medium, in this paryavaran, which is actually acting as a medium, actually acting as a ether. हमारे जैनिज्म में उसको हम धर्मस्थिकाय कहते हैं. वो मूवमेंट देता है आपके थॉट्स को, आपकी थिंकिंग को, आपकी इनिशियल वाइब्रेशंस को, which is happening from your mind and you're perceiving it from the source, and this source is very strong. Now how to understand this, how to take care of it? Most and foremost is where I want to tell everybody, create a low EMF sleeping environment. It's a very simple system. हम सोते हैं तो होता क्या है? And this is the place where you are getting maximum radiations. When we sleep, our bodies are busy growing and repairing cells. Do you know that? Maybe you are 60 plus or 70 plus or 80 plus. Your age doesn't matter. Our body requires cells repairing each and every second we sleep. So children, it grows. But in old age, we repair. We try to delete things and get the positive information, which we call centripetal and centrifugal vibrations. So this is an essential for good health, especially now when we want our body strong and ready to battle infection if necessary. Because now when you don't repair cells, when you don't get strength while sleeping, you are ultimately surrendering to this pollution. EMF pollution can interfere with sound sleep. Now, when we talk about radiation, I've told you that we are talking about 3 factors: self-help. This is self-help. Second is bio, and third is technical. But this is the most important aspect where we need to see and work. Okay? Is network okay? Everybody can hear me and see me properly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to hear very clearly, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So EMF pollution is the biggest thing which we need to now work upon and get going. So what happens, when we are sleeping, this is the first and foremost thing. If you use Wi-Fi, internet in a home, turn it off. First, self-help. When you're sleeping, turn it off, unplug the router at night. All wireless devices emit RF, radio frequency microwave radiation. Wi-Fi routers or also gives you dirty electricity, which I have already explained last time, but I'll be telling you once again. So you can see you are sleeping wonderfully. You are 100% dead and tired, but your body is getting vibrations from everywhere. And these vibrations are absorbed because you don't see it. You don't. And when we are sleeping, we are into the process of repairing ourselves. So we are in a very static movement, static process, a static, let's say, state. And that static state is very easy for these vibrations to reach individual organs because you're not moving. It can hamper, it can penetrate same place continuously for longer time. And this is where the problem is. And then the problem of self-help is remove AC powered clocks and other electrical devices from your bedside. When we talk about radiation, when we talk about solutions, we are looking at self-help which we can do. Have you seen this kind of bedside table? A lot of people, a lot of my clients have these issues, they want their iPad, they want their charger, they want their phone, they want everything to be charged next to the bed. What are we trying to do? Why can't we just become more aware about this problem? So this is awareness. Do you want a bedside table look like this, or do we have an understanding to remove this when we are sleeping? Why do you need everything to be charged next to you? Why can't we keep a distance of at least a couple of feet? 2 feet is most relevant space. So you take care of your hand distance. ये जितना हाथ का आपका डिस्टेंस है, इतनी दूर चीजें रखें ताकि आपका हाथ ना पहुंच सके. और हाथ ना पहुंचेगा, that means you have to get up. So don't be lazy. Don't try to reach. आप झुक के भी मत पहुंचिए, क्योंकि झुक के आप पहुंच रहे हैं तो आप रेडिएशन ले रहे हैं. दूर रखिए, and that is where we need to work upon. Do you know how does this affect? Do you know what is the science behind it? We have already discussed. I'm not going to go to the science, but I'm just trying to make you aware, make you understand before cell phone use, after cell phone use. This is a aura PIP taking vibrations of your thermic body. Think about it. Irrespective of the radiation, it is heating up the face from this side, and heating up itself is a radiation because our body is not used to that kind of heating from a electromagnetic radiations. Okay, and this heating is not a physical heating. You don't feel the heat, and that is more dangerous. So a lot of time people have heating pads on their body when they have problems, when they have the bones issue. They put heating pad which they feel. जिसको हम कहते हैं सेक कर लेते हैं हम लोग. थप कुछ हमें लग जाती है या हमारा पाँव में मोच आ जाता है तो हम सेक करते हैं just to take care of our bones and make us feel comfortable. That heating pad actually makes us feel hot. But this phone is not making you feel hot, and you are still getting the vibration and thermic field 10 times higher than that heating pad. Think about it. What are we trying to do? And if your bed frame, a lot of architects have become very innovative. They have become extra smart. Interior designers have got amazing things. They give you, the USB port on the bed. They give you things touching on the bed. So the electrical wiring goes through the bed. And this is such an amazing thing. They feel so good. Wow, I have found the technology. They don't know what they are doing. They are killing the person. They are killing their client by creating a wire cage under the bed. And this is what we need to reduce. We need to remove this. This is the self-help which I'm talking about. This is the solution. Make yourself aware. Ask your interior designer and architect not to put any electrical wiring around the cage. And if it is there, unplug it before going to sleep. So, or if you want to do that, then have a individual circuit which has a connection outside the bed. So when you disconnect the circuit of the bed, then the whole bed wiring becomes dead. Do that. So let's be more intelligent. Let's be more exposed to this system. And as an architect, as interior designer, as a Vastu practitioner, try to understand that EMF radiation is the Vastu issue. Vastu is not only 9 direction, 5 elements. Vastu is to make you happy, to make you feel good. Health, happiness, and harmony is Vastu. Balancing of human energy with the environment energy is Vastu. So as a Vastu consultant, you need to learn this. You need to expose yourself to the newer technology which is making Vastu defective. Okay, so 9 direction 5 element आपने सब ठीक करके रख दिया और घर के चारों तरफ इलेक्ट्रिकल केजिंग है, वायरिंग है, EMF रेडिएशन है, then a customer will tell you, sir आपने वास्तु तो किया but I am still unhealthy. I am still going to the doctor. I cannot sleep. So what Vastu will do? What 9 direction and 5 elements will do? Nothing. It is going to harmonize on a different layer, but the physical layer, the immediate layer of problem is your EMF. Take care of EMF so that your Vastu correction which you have done with 5 element, 9 direction, putting yantras, putting gems, putting XYZ, it is going to be effective only when radiations, immediate problems are solved and your client is happy. When he is happy, he is sleeping well, his doctor's bills have reduced, he don't have to go to doctor in a lot of time, then he will recommend you that Vastu consultant is so good. He has done a Vastu and I can sleep well. Okay, so this is what the whole crux is. Try to understand. But if you cannot do this, we have solutions which are called dirty electricity meters. A lot of time we are not ignorant, you know. We say the radiations are not there. I don't know if it is the radiation, if it is emitting vibration. I don't have meters. You need to get yourself accustomed to these vibrations and have dirty electricity meter with you. With this meter, you can identify, you can check where the radiations are leaking out, how the vibrations are affecting, which plug has to be unplugged, which electrical product which is highly radiative has to be kept away from the sleeping areas. All these have to be learned. And as a Vastu consultant, as a healer, as a house doctor, architect, interior designer, as an engineer, you need to become technically strong and learn this. There are companies called Green Wave. There are different companies in US, UK who are creating filters to reduce this. So they are not saying don't use the technology. I am saying use the technology. We have 5G with you. Connect to the internet, have 150 Mbps speed, everything. Do that. But protect yourself, shield yourself. And this is what I am talking to you today. In these 3 divisions of self-help, biohelp and technology help, I am going to guide you that these are the solutions which you can get very simply, directly plug in. You don't need any consultant, you do it yourself. If you need any help, call us. We will try to tell you how these EMI filtering technology, which will shunt the erratic surges and spikes of electrical energy while allowing standard electricity to pass through the filters unimpeded. Unimpeded means the function will still remain the same, but the radiation will not reach you. You will still feel the same. You will still see the TV. You will still have your Wi-Fi. You will still watch a YouTube or Netflix or all things, but it is not going to be troubling you. So what are we trying to do? Do you want beds like this? This is an old system. This is a technology which has been bought from different spaces, and the architects have bought and try to make their rooms very lit with lights, LEDs. Why do you need LEDs in your bedrooms? Why do you need, instead of this, I had another slide which is missing, I forgot to put, which has a LED on the fall ceiling. An architect becomes so extra intelligent, or interior designer, that he has put the sky, you know, he has created an artificial sky with different light and moods. Come on, what are you trying to do? You are bringing in such a vibration while a person is sleeping. Irrespective, he shuts it off. The wires are still going in, the plug is still having electrical current. dirty electricity means that irrespective you switch off, the current is still flowing and our body is still absorbing. So why do you need LEDs under the bed? Why do you need LEDs on the false ceiling? Why do you need LEDs around your back? Do this jargon, do this decoration, do this drama outside the bedroom, and let the bedroom be a sleeping heaven, where it should be a sleeping sanctuary, where you sleep peacefully without radiation and you reorganize, repair your problems, what you have done whole day. हमारे जैनिज्म में इसको हम सामायिक कहते हैं, हम सामायिक करते हैं, हम लोग बहुत सारी चीजों को we try to understand, we try to recall what we have done whole day sitting in the bedroom, close our eyes and say sorry, क्षमा, मैंने आज उस पे चिल्लाया, इस पे बुरा बोला, इसको ये किया. ये सब हम क्या करते हैं? ये सब हम लोग बैठ के शाम को समझते हैं, अपनी बॉडी में ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं और मेडिटेट करते हैं बेड पे 5 मिनट 10 मिनट बिफोर यू स्लीप. But if you have electrical radiation like this, how do you meditate? Your mind is getting burned and you are getting unnecessary thoughts, and that unnecessary thoughts let you not sleep. And when you not sleep, you are on WhatsApp or Netflix, and that is where the problem is. Avoid metal bed frames. Another self-help. मेटल का पलंग नहीं चाहिए, लकड़ी की फ्रेम का पलंग लीजिए. मेटल की फ्रेम में रेडिएशन बढ़ जाती हैं, क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिकल वाइब्रेशन अगर घर में भी नहीं है तो आसपास से घर के बाहर की वाइब्रेशन रेजोनेट होकर मेटल पकड़ लेता है, लोहा पकड़ लेता है. सो मेटल बेड इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. अवॉइड इट. इट्स अ शॉर्टकट, इट्स अ चीपर ऑप्शन, इट्स अ चीपर वर्जन ऑफ क्रिएटिंग अ स्लीपिंग सेंचुरी, बट it is dangerous. Avoid it. A lot of time we also avoid the metal nails. So a lot of architects, again intelligent architects, extraordinary intelligent, they make the wooden frame, then put huge heavy nails or metal corners. It looks like a metal wooden bed, but it has all the connections of metal inside it. Don't disguise, don't fool yourself and your client. If you are saying a wooden bed, then let it be 100% wood. In fact, the screws also should be made up of wood and then nailed in time. The nails can also come of wood. Try to do that. Another very important thing which I want to tell people who have just born kids or who are going to become mothers and parents: do not use a wireless baby monitor. These monitors expose your child to harmful radio frequency microwave radiation. Explore wired options or rely on the old-fashioned method, that is having your child sleep in nearby room. The mother will always know a child is crying. Mother will have that intuitive feeling, and she or he, father or mother, will go to the child just a second after he cries or she cries. And this has been the system and technology since ages. So why don't we rely on our intuit? Why don't we use our instincts and still follow the systems? Can you think about it? A child sleeping for 6 hours, 8 hours, and radiation is so near. See this picture. He doesn't know anything, but his brain is getting burned. His IQ is getting reduced. His intelligence is reduced. And then he has to struggle hard in his education and his schools. Okay, think about it. Another very important aspect, blue light. Blue light is killing you, you know that. So we have specs. This is my spec, which is blue light protective. You can see the blue light here on my glass now. I specifically kept it for you. Can you see a ring here? This ring is actually protection of blue light. Blue light doesn't let you sleep. It depresses, it reduces the potent antioxidant, and the hormone get reduced. The release of melatonin becomes less. So blue light glasses are very important, again, to protect yourself with the radiation. This is a radiation which is not electromagnetic, but it is light radiation, which is as bad as the wired radiation or Wi-Fi radiation. Okay, so blue light glasses are available. Try to do that and see how we do this self-help. This is something which you can do it yourself. You don't need a consultant. You don't need anybody to guide you, but educate yourself. And as a Vastu consultant, guide your clients. As an architect, tell your customers that this is what we should do. Ask them to buy it. Okay. Another very important thing which you need to do is consider turning off the electrical circuit that affects your sleeping areas. So I can do that. I have done it in my house. Anybody can do that. If you are making a new house, ask your electrical guy to shut off the electrical circuits except the fan and air condition, because that you require in the night when you sleep. And then before you sleep, switch off that MCB and sleep well, because when you're sleeping, you don't need any electrical gadgets around you anyways. And when in the morning you get up, the sunlight is only going to light your home. And if in emergency you require, keep a small torch or something around your bedside which is not electrical, so that when you go to the toilet in the night, you need a light. And this is just a basic help. And if you can't do it, call an EMF consultant. Understand the circuits. These days you get a demand switch, and those demand switches are specifically made so that when you sleep, switch off that demand switch next to your bed, and it will shut off all the unwanted radiations. It will shut off the MCB from the mains, so you don't have to get up and go to the mains. Okay, so reduce that effort, but understand that electrical circuits are the biggest issues. These days you get timer automatic power cutoff, smart plugs. Now these smart plugs should not be next to the bed again. This should be kept in some places away from the bed, where after some time this shuts off. And if it is next to the bed also, it shuts off the main electrical circuit, not the product which is getting charged. Okay, so you need to have a demand switch and a circuit breaker or circuit turn off, and these are not expensive. Automatic power cutoff smart plugs are available on Amazon for 700,000 bucks. Simple. At least it reduces the problem. It doesn't solve the problem, it reduces the problem. Okay, so these are some of the ideas I'm trying to give you, because I have learned, and I have tried to give this to my client, because I know their client, he wants to have a mobile phone next to his bed less than 2 feet. He will agree to me right now when I say when I'm in his house, but as soon as I go to the house, he will again plug his mobile phone in his 1.5 feet bedside switch. So give them these options. At least try to help them. Okay, so these are some basic things which I have told you regarding the bedroom. These are some of the self-helps. Next self-help is get wired. Why can't we have wired? I think somebody phone is on. Roshali, can you please? I can hear a lot of sound. Okay, wonderful. It is wired to internet rather than Wi-Fi. This means connecting your computer to the internet modem router via Ethernet. It needs to be the original thing. Why don't we go to the original thing? At least when I am sitting in front of my PC whole day, why do I need Wi-Fi when I am sitting here? Wi-Fi is the places where you are sitting away from the walls or away from the spaces where you don't want to get a wired connection, because you cannot. But when you're sitting in front of your office, why don't you have a USB cable printer? Why don't you have a wired keyboard? Why do you need wireless? You can have wired keyboard. It is just next to you. Okay, this is what I use. I don't use wireless things because it is a problem. I have a connecting to my printer also through wire, through USB port. Why do I need Wi-Fi? Why do I need to buy the technology which is harming me? It is an easy and lazy stuff, but it is for places where you cannot have wires. It is in middle of the room where there is no chance of getting wires from the corners. Then you need Wi-Fi. Avoid this. Use USBs. Okay, this is what I'm trying to tell you. Modem, router, maximum places you can go wired. And how do you check it? How do you check it? You check it with a particular meter, which we call Safe and Sound Pro. You can see it here. I use it. This is a simple machine which has wire, which can give you green, red, blue. Right now I'm sitting next to this, and it is red because there is a huge radiation coming around me, because cameras, a lot of things are on here. But that is a temporary affair. Otherwise, it should be always. You can see the sound. You can see the surge. Okay, so I'll be talking to you more on this, but these are products, these are machines which you can use it to check that Wi-Fi or modem which is next to you needs to be distanced a lot of time. Wi-Fi away from you still give you the connection and the same frequency of internet connectivity. It doesn't have to be next to the computer, next to your body, or next to your table. So keep it at a distance and how much distance you check with this meter. And as soon as you check with this meter, you will see that this meter particularly has red and yellow and green and orange light, and which guides you, and also it gives you the peak and maximum and average frequency reading in a particular unit, okay, which is a standard unit of measurements of electromagnetic radiation all over the world. Okay, so we use this for all our RF radiation, that is radio frequencies, which is coming from Wi-Fi, from cordless phones, from routers, from home automations. Everything is Wi-Fi based on your Alexas, your so many things, you know, your Tata Sky mobile, remote controls, your Amazon stick remote control, they are all working on radio frequencies, which is dangerous, which is actually killing us. We don't know what we are trying to do. But then somebody says, I don't want to keep a Wi-Fi router. I don't have a big place. My office is very small. I have to have a Wi-Fi router just around a couple of feet away. Then we have a solution. Why don't we create a pouch? Why don't we create a shielding fabric mesh which allows plenty of airflow and very easy slips into the entire router? It can be installed in seconds. This product still allows the router to function without losing speed. Understand that. Wi-Fi can be there. You have a Tata Sky, you have a broadband, you have a Reliance Jio 5G routers. You have a lot of routers around your house or bedrooms or offices. Create a shield, understand how to protect it. We have solutions. These are all self-help. And another is bigger ones. These are called shells. These are called actually cages. So you can have cages like this. We can get it for you. You can make it yourself. There are a lot of things which we can work together on this. Kill the signal, but doesn't let the strength of this wireless radiation reduce. Don't let it come to the body. Okay, the most wireless devices are overpowered so that the signal reaches way further than necessary. We don't need that much of radiation and that much of Mbps speed, but we still get it because it is coming free. The rates are same. 100 Mbps, 550 Mbps, 40 Mbps rates are same. So why don't we take 150 Mbps? अरे जरूरत ही नहीं है. Why do you need it? But फ्री में मिल रहा है, वो रेट सेम था, हमने ले लिया. ज्यादा स्पीड से काम करेंगे. What speed you need? Why do you need that speed? You don't know. The more speed, the more radiation and more harmful, more penetrating. Think about it. Think about it. Well, what are we trying to do? Okay, so these are some of the processes which I want to tell you. Use corded landline phones. Why can't we use corded phones? Corded phones, you transfer a lot of people in Germany. I can't do it because we don't have this kind of technology, and still I'm not aware of the corded landline phone like that. But a lot of my colleagues, teachers in Germany, you know, when their phone comes, the phone number is transferred from this number to the landline. So all the phones which is coming on the mobile phone, the bell is ringing on the corded line phone, and he is talking on the corded line phone, but a person calling is calling on his mobile. You can do this when you're sitting at office or you're at home, because phone is next to you. So sit next to you, keep a corded line phone in your bedroom or in your drawing room when you're watching TV. Phone will come on the mobile. You don't need a different number, but the phone is transferred. Think about it. It is possible or not? It is definitely possible. So we are trying to keep this killing machine away from us. Maximum time, try to keep it away. If you text it also, it is better. It is not reaching here. When you are putting your phone next to your ear and your this part of the brain, I have shown you what happens in the aura photography. You are heating this up. But when you're texting, when you're doing WhatsApp messages, you are the phone is at least a couple of feet away. Try to do that most of the time. Okay, another very important thing which I have noticed long back, it's in Germany. I don't know if you get it in India or not. These are called air tube handsets. Air tube headset in earbuds doesn't have electrical wiring. It comes through the whole sound goes through the to your earbud through air. Are you getting me? So it is called air tube headset. So this air tube earbuds and headphones actually doesn't have electrical connection, but the sound vibration reaches your ears and you listen to it the same way. It would have, the stereo effect would have been same when it is wired. Think about it if you can get this kind of product and take care of when you're sleeping. A lot of time people are exercising, gymming, jogging, and they have this kind of, they want to listen to music. And when they are listening to music, they don't know what you're gaining is you're reducing through EMF exposure. Okay, so think about it that we can get some of the AirTube headset, and I can help you get it next to you, in later stage whenever you are comfortable and you want to have these kind of products. Avoid using wireless headset or earpieces next to you. Think about it. It is killing your fertility. People keep it in their bras. People keep it at the backside of the pocket next to the your manhood. What are you trying to do? You are actually reducing your fertility. You are trying to reduce you're trying to create a thermic heat around that part of the body, which is very important. Think about it. What are we trying to do? Okay, and how do you identify this? We have a very important plug here, which if I can put it onto the, I've shown you the picture. This is a plug. Now, a lot of time people don't understand that the wiring errors are the biggest issues in our Indian household. Have you ever seen that the fan in your house has an earthing cable? Does it have the third cable? Most of the fans in Indian homes are having electrical two lines. The third cable electrician doesn't want to put because nobody is touching the fan. But he doesn't understand that the electrical radiations are coming to me. With this particular plug, you can put it in your socket and see if you have a earthing or not of any socket. So in your bedside, if you have a earthing, which is a third thing, neutral to ground connection, neutral to neutral connection, then that's the time the magnetic fields are reduced. Now, I'm not talking of EMF. It's a bit technical now, but it is, if people know the electricity, DC and AC current, they know that magnetic field is as dangerous as electric field. So when you have a thing, the magnetic field is reduced. Only electrical connections are working, and it helps you reduce the EMF, which is a problem. Okay, there are good books tracing EMFs in building wires and grounding by Carl Riley, and there are videos also you can go and watch. But this product is very essential. This product, when you put, you will find out that there is an earthing or there is no earthing in your socket next to the bed, in your bedroom, in your office. And when it is not, then call an electrician and ask him कि जितने घर के मेरे products हैं उसको सबको grounding wire लगा दो. It doesn't cost any extra money. He has just to put that wire and earth it, and you always have earthing in the house and an office, because that without that the house and apartments are not made. So we are just connecting and creating earth vibrations around us with electricity as the source. Okay, so this is identify and fix wiring errors. Wiring errors are so very important because in Indian system we don't have a right electrical guys, we don't have a government norms to have a organized certified electrical installer. We electricians are everywhere who have learned from nowhere, and they come and do the electrical jobs at your house, and you, as soon as the lights are on, you are happy. You don't know what are the problems he has created. He has not earthened it, because again, as I told you, these are intangible radiation which cannot be seen. Okay, so think about it. Identify and fix the electrical wiring. So these are some of the self-help which I have told you. Now, self-help is everything what you try to do it yourself, from the electricity, getting ignorant, getting literate about it. Don't get ignorant. Understand it, become aware of it, see where the problem is, and then identify and repair it. Okay, so these are some of the self-help which I have talked about. Now I am coming to the next level of help, which is biohelp. Now, what is this biohelp? Most of our Vastu consultants and Vastu practitioners who are associated with Vastu world know that we work on vibrations and electromagnetic radiation through intangible sources. We work on our body intuit. We work on systems which are related to sacred geometries. We work on systems which are related to metaforms, vortexes. All these are vibrations which are taking care of radiation around the home or spaces, and that is what Vastu is. Vastological correction through sacred geometry, through intuit, through spiritual intent, through vibrations which are from different sources of specific radiation, which are natural products or gems, are called biohealth. They are biological process which works through the body, and our body gets the vibration itself, and these biohealth then create a intangible shield around your body so that electromagnetic radiation cannot penetrate. Okay, if I have a shield of intangible vibration which is countering the vibration frequency of electromagnetic radiation, that's the time I am trying to reduce the problems reaching me. It is not electronically induced. With this machine you cannot check it, but with this machine you can check it. With your intuit, with your chit, with your dhyan, with your man, with your buddhi, you can check it. With your atma, with your own inner body, you can check it and feel good about it, because the shield has made a vibratory connectivity with your inner core, your inner body. Okay, these are biohelps. What are the biohelps? Earthing bowl. Connect with the black tourmaline. Hold it. Put your fingers on the earthing tray, connect to the earth. As I told you, earthing through the electrical thing, earthing to the natural source. As soon as you start connecting yourself to the earth, Mother Earth, you walk barefoot. You will reduce the electromagnetic radiation, because radiation which is coming to the body will get earthened, and it will earthen, then it will get the magnetic field will reduce. So people who walk barefoot at least 20 minutes each day, they don't get so much of electromagnetic radiation, because their body creates a shield around it. And if you cannot put this earthing tray and earthing bowl next to your computer, as I have done it, I can show you this black tourmaline. I hold it whenever I'm talking to you or talking on electromagnetic radiation using phone. I use this and I then put it on my charging plate here, which is earthing bowl or earthing tray. That earthing bowl is fixed, so I cannot show you, but these are very simple products. You can get it from Vastu World Office. It reduces the radiation. Okay. Labyrinth harmonizers. Labyrinth harmonizers are one amazing thing. This is my personal labyrinth harmonizer. I keep it next to me. Again, it creates a metaform. It creates a diffusing environment around you, and it reduces the radiation reaching you. These radiations can be electromagnetic, or it can be the radiations from person, which is something which we call black magic, or curses. This uses. Varoma oils are essential oils. As I've told you, these are also working on certain fluid system, and they also have a vibratory connectivity to reduce radiations. Earth cosmic loop we have already seen. You know this. There are different loops of a single stone which creates earth sky chimney, and again helps create a radiation shielding around you, and helps you vibrate in a strong way so that radiation doesn't trouble you. Metal vortex gyrating energizer again creates a very strong flux of magnetic field when it moves in the house. As soon as it is put in the house, people around it, people in that particular area start getting that magnetic flux which is coming out of that particular sacred geometry, and that is helping you. Okay. Black box disruptor. Black block disruptor is amazing for reducing negative harmony, negative vibration, and influencing health and harmony. Again, you have infinity biosymbols, which you have seen. This connects you to the earth vibration, and when you keep it around you, it generates a scalar waves. Scalar waves are amazing amazing vibration to take care of the electromagnetic radiation. Is countered. It vibrate in a anti-frequency of electromagnetic radiation. Okay, but it is not seen, it is not electrical, it is from the natural source of a single stone, made it in a particular sacred geometry with certain metaforms and biosymbols here, which we call Nadul symbols. Again, that's a different technology, but it works on a different paradigm which we call, which is ultimately creating a biohealth. Okay, another product which is something new which you guys must have not seen, it's not here, but you can see the picture. This is called entangled emotion liberator. Again, entangled emotion. EMF is also emotion now. Electromagnetic radiations creates an emotional disturbance because it creates a historical vibration in your head, because you start thinking negative things. So it generates, it catalyzes. So all these vibrations coming from Wi-Fi, from mobile towers, mobile phones, radio waves, generators, from transformers, and from your home automation things. A lot of amplifiers are there, Alexas are there, and so many small things are there. Sometimes your watch is a iPhone, Apple Watch, which is again creating a strong radiative field around you. You sleep with this watch next to you. You keep your phone. All these things are creating emotional burdens, and those emotional burdens are entangled. They are not going away from you. This particular product helps reduce, remove it. You get rid of the issues. Okay, so it removes the bond, relationship, partnership, and tie and restriction of those EMF apart from everything else. Okay, so this is something new, which is again a product which you can use it for reducing the EMF radiation. Keep it around couple of meters next to you when you're sleeping, and it helps you. Another very important thing which we have generated is infinity bio symbol for cars. It's a very small thing. It's such a small thing. You just put it in your car. Now car has radiations. Car is full of electromagnetic vibration because your car is internet savvy, and you are using so many things inside the car. Just put this. We have a double-sided tape. Put it on your dashboard, and it looks good, and it reduces all the radiations which are coming from the car and troubling you. It doesn't stop. It shields you. It creates a, as I've told you, these are biohealth. They are not technologically justifying help. They are just radiative field which are working on intangible vibration and creates a shield around you. Okay, and this creates a unique protective vibration inside your car, because ultimately you need to take care of yourself these days. Because of traffic, because of a lot of distances, you have to spend couple of hours, maybe 2-3 hours every day in your car, and that's a substantial time when you are getting radiations. Okay, so this is one of the things which I wanted to show you. These are some new products which we have taken into consideration. Next is your what we call tech help. What is tech help? Tech help is help which you use, which you measure, and then protect yourself. And how do you protect yourself? You protect yourself with technology. Here bio is not happening. Here there is no intangible vibrations you are looking at. Here there is no self-help. You get everything what you want. You have all the Alexas and Wi-Fi's and all these things. You go and live next to the mobile tower, or you have a mobile tower above your head, or have a bedroom next to the generator. Doesn't matter much. You do whatever nonsense you want to do. And when you are doing a nonsense, when you are doing you're not understanding the problem, and still you want to take care of your family and your children, then you need tech help. Shielding solution which is technical. Technical, that means reduce the radiations, reduce the problems by using another shielding, another technology to protect it physically. It is not energetic, it is a physical solution. So tech help is a physical solution. Solution shielding by technology. And what are these? So these are RF radio frequency shielding paints. Now you get paints. You create a protective layer, as you see in this picture. You create a protective layer outside or inside your house, earth that layer, and when we use these machines, you will see that these radiations have stopped. Instead of this red, you will see the green light and yellow light burning. I'll show you the example here with one of the shielding fabrics which we have, which is going to be coming in the next slides. But I cannot paint here and show it to you, but the paint has the same effect. With the machine, you can demonstrate to your client that before the paint, the light was red. After the paint, it has become green and yellow, because it is shielding. Okay, shielding paints are amazing solutions which you can paint it on the existing wall. If you have a radiation coming from this side, just paint that particular wall. If there is a radiation coming from the mobile towers from the ceiling, put it on this ceiling wall and earthen it. Or if you have problems happening below, then you can do it below the flooring also, paint it and put the flooring from the top. And this is what we are trying to do, to protect and take care of your house from the radiation which are unavoidable. You cannot shift your home, you cannot shift the mobile towers, you cannot shift the generators, but you still want to live in the middle of this particular jargon or radiation. Take care of yourself by doing this. Shielding paints are free of toxic solvents and additives, and they have a protection from HF radiation, cell phone, TV, radio wires, protection from power supply lines. It is wonderful for application in school, nurseries, hotel room, hospitals, industry. Easy to handle, and it is carbon based, so it doesn't go away unless until you break the wall. It is always there, and it's in black in color, so you can put other colors on top of it. As simple as that. Your favorite color, whatever you want to put, Asian paint or Narrow-Lake paint or whatever. Okay, so it doesn't. You don't have to show it to the people that you have put a radiative field, but you sleep well. You sleep when you have these paints around you on the floor and on the ceiling, and you have identified that these problems are high frequency or low frequency, because we have different quality of paint. This is HSF 64, this is HSF 54, and then we have Pro 54. So there are different typologies, different specification of these paints, which are specifically made by Weichshield, German company, and they have different standards, different dBs, 39 layer dB, and these are at 1 gigahertz. Again, physics is required, high frequency, low frequencies, but we can guide you because we have enough understanding. I've been doing this since last 20-25 years, and I have learned this from Germany, because in building biology they teach us. So thanks to Wolfgang Priggen and his team of experts around in Munster and Berg Stanford, where I've learned all these substances in 1997-98. Okay, as I've told you, different paints, spatial shielding paints for higher level of problems, lower level of problems, but problems have to be identified. Okay, and these type paints have a very specific functioning. You can see in the picture, it can be painted like this and again repainted. And you need to earthen it, ground it, and grounding is very simple. I can teach you that in different ways. Another thing is shielding fabric. When you have a shielding fabric like this particular shielding fabric, end of the day, protects you, protects the space. So there are different kind of shielding fabrics made up of, silk and silver. These can be used as a curtain. If you don't want to paint a wall, and if you see that there is a glass on the wall, then make this come out of the, instead of painting. And I'll show you, I'll give you a small demonstration of how does it work. So if you can see on this, you can see you can make the screen bigger if you want to, and reduce my, or I'll show you in later stage when we are not talking shielding thing. I'll show you again. As soon as I cover it, you can see the lights have become green. All the lights have become green instead of red. It was red and now it is green. Can you see this? As soon as I remove this, can you hear it also? I'll put it on. As soon as I put this fabric around it, the sound goes away and the light becomes red. That means this fabric is actually shielding the radiations. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. And there's another meter which also has the same similar kind of functioning. Incidentally, it is not connected. It's a new meter. I'll do it for you. And these meters are very simple to use. Here I have found out only high frequency, radio frequency, and electrical and RF fields. In this particular device, I am finding a electric, magnetic, and electromagnetic field. So you can see here, you can see it on the screen that this is the radiation which I'm sitting in. I have a very okay magnetic, electrical is good. I am away from Wi-Fi is good because my Wi-Fi systems are kept away. I don't have a Wi-Fi router here, and electrical is high because I am next to the computer screen and there's a lot of electricity around it. And as soon as I put this fabric around it, see the green and yellow, red and yellow will become green. Can you see that? And the sound is gone. So this fabric works, and these meters are very simple meters. They are for testing and understanding how things are working on. and certain people have certain questions which we can answer in later stage. So shielding fabrics helps you. There are different kind of shielding fabrics. Shielding fabrics are different methodology for curtains, for canopies. You can have, if you don't want to have walls and curtains painted, have a canopy. So at least when you are in a very highly strong radiative field and you are electrosensitive, you have a sensitivity which you can check with using particular machine which we call e-smog span. And if I put e-smog span, I can check my electro stress. See, this is my electro stress. I have put the finger here on electrical vibration. This is my electro stress because I'm sitting in front of so much of radiation. But when I sleep in my bedroom, I don't want this radiation. So what I do is I put a canopy around, like a machhardani, like a mosquito net. Put it around your bed. Sleep and keep your phone outside. Now the phone is not going to work inside this net. So keep the phone outside. The whole night people will call you. You cannot hear, but you will get a missed call next day morning, and you are shielding. So create a shielding, and this is the fabric which you need to buy, which is a very strong shielding silver fabric. This fabric you can make curtains, you can also make bed canopies and machhardani and shield yourself. Simple process, simple solution. Reduce everything, let everything be same. But at least 7 hours, 6 hours, when you're sleeping, your body, your cells are regenerating. That's the time there is no radiation. Not a single thing will enter this radiation. And also it will protect you from mosquitoes. Okay, so this is what the shielding canopy does. These are some of the systems. Also, you can get films. These are the films. These are the shielding films, and this shielding film have different shades. You can have 62 to 70% of light transmission through those films, but it will not be 100%. Okay, so these are some of the solutions which I have shown you and told you, which are technology based, which are based on certain system which is counteracting the radiation, and these are the solutions. Okay, we have different countries having lower and other emissions. These are biological systems where we need to understand the guidelines. These machines are based on these guidelines. These radiation which are in mu w per meter square. So it works on the watt and volt per meter square about of the surface area. That is some kind of physics which we need to work upon. Milliwatt per square meter. Okay, that is what the sign talks about, and it works on the frequency of MHz. It is work on the unit of hertz. So hertz and milliwatt per square meter is the we need to understand the power density and the frequency. Okay, so these are some of the solutions which I have told you, and these solutions can be checked. आप घर पे बैठ के चेक करिए, आप एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करिए, 10 दिन 9 दिन में एक माइक्रोवेव में, अपने सबके घर में माइक्रोवेव, उसमें ग्लास पानी गर्म करके रोज एक पेड़ पे डालिए, एक पौधे पे डालिए, और एक में प्यूरिफाइड वाटर डालिए, जनरल जो नल में से आता है या आपके कुएं में से आता है. आप 10 दिन तक वो दोनों पेड़ों में, दोनों पौधों में, दोनों गमलों में पानी डाल के देखिए, आपको दिखेगा कि माइक्रोवेव वाटर की क्या हालत है. जो लेफ्ट स्क्रीन में वाईफाई के आसपास प्लांट रखें और वाईफाई से दूर प्लांट रखें राउटर के, और देखें कि क्या हो रहा है उस प्लांट को. You can see things yourself. If plant is getting defective, plant is dying, then what about us? Who are we? We are as sensitive as plants. Animals don't go and sleep next to the Wi-Fi areas. You will, if you tie a dog, I don't want you to do that because it is dangerous. But if I have seen in one of the families, the dog room is next to the Wi-Fi router, and the dog was suffering. Then I told them, and that was the complaint. They told, in this Vastu, as soon as we have shifted in this house, my dog has become ill, and every month we have to operate or go to the doctor and back. And what was the issue? The router and the dog room was next to each other. And I identified it and I told them, shift it. And as soon as they shift the dog room, because they cannot shift the router, it's a very big organization, house which has a lot of internal and concealed wiring. They don't want to change it. So they just shifted the dog room and the dog become well. And they called me and told, yes, you are right, the Wi-Fi was the problem. So think about it. what are we trying to do to ourselves? We are trying to actually, I don't want to show the pictures of human beings suffering from Wi-Fi radiation like what they show it in your movies when you are smoking with the crooked faces and crooked mouth. But this is what happens to you. You distort yourself. You look old. You have wrinkles on your body. Your heart, your lungs start suffering, and you become ill. And you become less immune, so that all these vibrations and coronaviruses start entering your system because your Wi-Fi, you're not shielding the Wi-Fi around you. You're not shielding the radiation around you. Okay, so think about it, what we are trying to do, and try to see that all these three self-help, bio-help, and tech help solutions integrated. See what is best for you. Check what is important for you, and then take up right action. Consult, call us. We are there to help you with all this technology around you. But if not, self-help, check yourself. Check yourself and take care of your own clients and your own home. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can we ask some things?
Yes, that's the time. Now is the time to ask.
Okay, sir. Sir, you were telling about the EMF shielding paint. Now, say suppose
Yes.
there is an earth crack or a crevice which is running below us, or a dry water vein which is running below our bed. Can we put this on top and then sleep so that all that vibration and other things get stopped, sir?
Yes, yes. Very good question. This question was asked by Adil couple of days back, that electromagnetic radiation paints and shielding paints can reduce geopathic stress. Yes, most of the geopathic stresses are electrically and magnetically based. So definitely these paints have a strong solution for electromagnetic radiations. Not only these paints, if you have a problem, use this particular fabric and create a mattress cover of this fabric and sleep on top of it. Simple.
Yes, sir.
अपने
That
गद्दे
is-
का
that
कवर
is
बना
very
लीजिए इसका, या बेड के नीचे एक लेयर लगा दीजिए शील्डिंग फैब्रिक की या शील्डिंग फेल्ट की, और उसके ऊपर हो जाइए, जियोपैथिक रेडिएशन रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे. You're right what you said, Gautam. It is one
Yes,
of the
sir.
solutions which you can have.
Sir, this also stops very low electrical frequencies, also very low frequency, what we call as HF, okay, but very low frequencies.
Yes, see, low frequencies are, there is no frequency lower than 5G,
Acha.
and there is no frequency more lower than your generator frequencies or frequencies from your electrical gadgets next to you. So low
Okay.
frequency and high frequencies, this take care of all the total density. It works on the density. Okay. So these solutions
Right,
are there. Now this machine has come last week from Germany. This Safe and Sound is 5G compatible. So we are improving with the technology. How defective the radiations are becoming, the solutions are also becoming stronger. So don't worry, we have all solutions also.
Right, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, Deepak here. Can I talk?
Yes, Deepak. Yes, sure.
Sir, this whole thing is totally connected with Schumann resonances. If I am not
Yes,
wrong, please correct me.
It is reducing the
Okay,
Schumann.
then yeah. So the thing is, for example, you have a new product called Entangled Emotion Liberator.
Yes.
And supposing we use this product in the house, because most of the houses, they have lot of relationship problems. They with lot of electronic gadgets around, like say Wi-Fi, which you explained shortly earlier. So can this help in bringing those kind of problems down, sir?
See, they again, you can't just justify with one product of entangled emotional liberator. It is going to reduce, it is going to remove the emotional jargon. So along with that, you need to see that the mobile phones, the electrical gadgetries are also away. Yes, it will help reducing the problem, but it is not a perfect solution. That particular product is a harmonizer. It is going to liberate the entanglement of partnership, of bonding, of people living together, and they are still fighting. People don't want to be together and they don't get an exit route. Sometimes people want to sell their homes. They cannot sell the home because home entangled to their emotions. So put that and the
Okay.
house is sold. So all those
Okay.
things are there, but also when there is a strong EMF radiations, it will help entangle, it will help reduce the emotional hazard.
Okay. Okay, sir. Then you have introduced this small device for the car, that infinity symbol.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a wonderful
Yeah.
thing.
Can it be used on the work table, sir? For say example, a cubicle.
Yes, it can
Can
be.
it
It
be
can be
used?
used for a small cubicle, small rooms next to the office table, where there is a couple of meters of space around you. It's not for the bigger bedrooms. For bigger bedrooms, you have a bigger product, but this is for immediate. So you can use it definitely for the bedrooms and office tables, and just keep it so it reduces the radiations. Yes, it's a good question, Deepak.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Sir,
Hello.
I already got this product of you from you.
Mhm.
And also this
Yes,
one,
Arvind,
okay.
बोलो. Yes.
ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट लिया है. It's of immense use basically for low frequency and high frequency transformer का मैंने चेक किया था, और हाई टी का भी, हाई टेंशन वायर का भी चेक किया था, तो रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं. Now I want to have your safe and sound instrument. आपका जो नया प्रोडक्ट है गैजेट, वो मेरे को लेने का है. I'm missing on that product. Okay.
अखिल, मेरे को थोड़ा इसका एक्सपेरिमेंट करने दो. एक आध वीक में I will get it for you also. Let me study this properly. Okay.
Yeah. Get me one piece. One piece.
Already.
Yeah.
I'll get it for you. Don't worry.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Ratnaman.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
हाँ, बोलिए.
हेलो.
Yes, I
हाँ
can
सर,
hear
मैं
you.
जगता बोल रहा हूँ, दोपहर को आया था. हेलो.
हाँ, हरी बाबू कैसे हो?
हाँ सर, मैं दोपहर को आया था आपके ऑफिस में और वो प्रोडक्ट लिया.
Yes.
इन्फिनिटी. अभी जो प्रोडक्ट दिखाया ना आपने.
हाँ जी.
हेलो.
हाँ, ये इन्फिनिटी
हाँ, वो
वाला.
प्रोडक्ट लिया मैंने. और हाँ, ये प्रोडक्ट लिया मैंने दोपहर को, और मेरे पैर में फ्रैक्चर हुआ. मेरा एक पैर फ्रैक्चर हो गया. तो
अच्छा.
मैंने वो चेक किया हाथ में लेके. हेलो.
हाँ, सुन रहा हूँ मैं.
हेलो.
बोलिए. हाँ, सुन रहा हूँ. आवाज आ रही है.
मराठीतून सांगू.
हाँ,
हा सर, मी
बोलो.
मराठीतून
Don't
सांगतो
worry.
सर. हा.
Yes.
दुपारी मी ऑफिसला आलतो, माझा पाय फ्रॅक्चर झालेला होता. एक ऑपरेशन झालेलं आहे पायाचं. तर मी ते प्रोडक्ट दुपारी चेक केलं, हातात घेतलं मी, आणि हातात घेतल्यानंतर माझं पायाचं जे पेन होतं ते पेन थांबला, आणि मी ते घेऊन आलो. तर ते प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे खूप भारी. मी ते पहिल्यांदाच हे केलं. चांगलं प्रोडक्ट आहे ते, आता दाखवलेलं तुम्ही. तर त्याचे रिझल्ट लगेच आले मला हातात घेतलं की. हॅलो.
Wonderful. Thank you, Haribhav. So Haribhav is telling in Marathi that he took this product today in the afternoon. He has a fracture in his leg. As soon as he hold this product in his hand, his pain reduced and he felt very light, and his fracture thing was, he could feel his leg very light. So that's what he is telling. Thank you, Haribhav. Yes, this product is amazing. It creates a scalar waves. जो स्कालर वेव क्रिएट होते हैं वो सीधे बॉडी के साथ इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि हमारी शरीर की जो बायो एनर्जीज हैं और वो जो शरीर के जो वाइब्रेटिंग रेजोनेंट हैं, और जब लोग सेंसिटिव रहते हैं, जैसे आप हरिभाव सेंसिटिव हैं, आप एक हीलर हैं, बहुत अच्छे वास्तु कंसल्टेंट हैं, तो उनको ये जल्दी फील होता है, और अपने क्लाइंट के घर पे ये देंगे तो उनको भी फील होगा. ओके, थैंक यू.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
Yes, anything else?
Sir, what is the HT value for scalar energy? HT value for scalar waves.
Sorry?
H3 value for scalar waves. Scalar. चेक करने के लिए.
I don't remember it right now. मुझे याद नहीं है दिल. स्केलर वेव्स की 26,000 फ्रीक्वेंसी में से क्या है मैं बताऊंगा आपको. आप व्हाट्सएप करिए, ग्रुप में मैं डाल दूंगा.
ओके, थैंक यू.
हेलो सर.
मंदर सिंह. हाँ, बोलिए.
सर मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था, जैसे अभी जो आपको प्रोडक्ट देखा था, जो आप इन्फिनिटी वाला प्रोडक्ट दिखा रहे थे, तो इसमें जो ये जो काम करता है, जो इसका पैटर्न है, वो इसका जो आर्टिकल है या उसकी शेप है, ऐसा क्या है जो वो काम करता है?
वही मैंने बताया ना आपको, स्केलर वेव्स क्रिएट हो रही हैं। देखिए वेक्टर और स्केलर का डिफरेंस होता है, ये एक फ्रीक्वेंसी में रेडिएशन वाइब्रेशन एक डायरेक्शन में जा रही है, और वो सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी की जब वाइब्रेशन दूसरे डायरेक्शन में जाती है तो बीच में एक अद्भुत ऊर्जा पैदा होती है, जिसको हम डेड स्पॉट कहते हैं और पावर स्पॉट कहते हैं। वो जो सेंटर की जो वाइब्रेशन है वो स्केलर होती है। हमारे शरीर में जो आंतड़ियां हैं, आंतड़ियों में इंटेस्टाइन में आप देखेंगे वही शेप है, डीएनए का शेप। एक तरफ से फ्लूइड ऐसा आता है, दूसरी तरफ से फ्लूइड ऐसा आता है। ऊपर जाने वाला फ्लूइड और बीच में जाने वाला फ्लूइड जहां पे मीट करता है, जहां पे उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है, वहां अद्भुत वाइब्रेशन क्रिएट होती है, एंड दैट वाइब्रेशन इज अ चक्रा पॉइंट। So when you say you have seen 7 chakras, 9 chakras, or some people say 20 chakras, these chakras are actually the scalar positions of the intestine and the nodes, and the pulse vibration of each fluid moving inside the body. तो जब हमारा हार्मोन रिलीज होता है तो हार्मोन्स में भी स्केलर वेव्स क्रिएट होती है। तो शरीर के जो स्केलर वेव्स पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट के स्केलर वेव से रेजोनेट हो जाते हैं, और ये वाइब्रेशन ले लेता है शरीर की तकलीफों का। और ये स्टोन है, एक पर्टिकुलर सिंगल स्टोन से बना है, हैंड क्राफ्टेड है, तो ये वाइब्रेशन स्ट्रांगली लेके अपने शरीर को अच्छा फील कराने लगता है। तो यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग बेटर, एंड ऑल योर पेन्स, ऑल योर ब्लॉकेजेस ऑफ चक्रास improve opens up. That's why you feel good. Okay?
हाँ, तो सर इसको ये शेप तो काम कर रही है, मैं समझ गया। तो मटेरियल में भी कुछ उसका रोल प्ले होता है?
मटेरियल है, शेप है, साइज है, डायमेंशंस है, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं उसमें। और उसमें फिर हमारे ये भी हैं सिंबल्स, ये सब एम्पलीफाई कर रहे हैं। बहुत सारी चीजें हमने डाली है, बायोज्योमेट्री सिंबल्स भी हैं। सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इंक्लूडेड इन टुगेदरनेस। जब भी मैं प्रोडक्ट बनाता हूं तो कभी भी सिंगल एलिमेंट को यूज नहीं करता हूं। आपने देखे होंगे हमारे जितने भी वास्तु वर्ल्ड के प्रोडक्ट हैं, देयर आर डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स काउंटरएक्टिंग ईच अदर एंड एम्पलीफाइंग इट टुगेदर। ओके,
एक मेरा क्वेश्चन और था सर, जैसे हम रेडिएशन की बात कर रहे हैं, किसी भी टाइप की जो रेडिएशन है वो हमारे हेल्थ पे इफेक्ट डालती है, वो हम अच्छी तरह समझ रहे हैं कि ऐसा होता है। लेकिन हम अगर वास्तु के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इस बात को समझते हैं, तो हेल्थ के अलावा बाकी जो फैक्टर्स होते हैं, जो हम 5 एलिमेंट्स की बात करते हैं, या रिलेशनशिप में किसी चीज़ों की बात कर रहे हैं, या बिजनेस की बात कर रहे हैं, या जो किसी भी कॉन्टेक्स्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, तो क्या ये रेडिएशन वहां पे भी अपना रोल प्ले करती है?
यस, डेफिनेटली। ये रेडिएशन हेल्थ, हार्मनी और हैप्पीनेस तीनों को रिड्यूस करते हैं, और जो ही वास्तुशास्त्र का कोर है। तो ये रेडिएशंस हर जगह प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करेंगे, और हमारा शरीर एक इंटीग्रेटेड शरीर है, पूर्ण शरीर है। उसमें कहीं और से कांटा लग जाए, एक छोटा सा कांटा एक पांव में लग जाए तो पूरा शरीर कराता है। आप ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते वो कांटे को छोड़ो दूसरी अच्छी चीज देखो, नहीं होगा। तो तकलीफ छोटी सी हो या बड़ी सी हो, वो हमें सोने नहीं देती, और रेडिएशन हमें प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हैं। दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ। ओके,
थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम।
संजय शर्मा
हाँ बोलिए जी।
सर, ये जो अभी आपने इन्फिनिटी का प्रोडक्ट बताया था, ये इसको एक्टिवेट करना है या डायरेक्ट हमको सिर्फ रखना ही है अपने प्लेस में?
एक्टिवेटेड करके ही आपको मिलता है, हम लोग उसको चार्ज अप करके ही आपको देते हैं। और ये सब जो सिंबल्स हमने इसमें लगाए वो सेल्फ एक्टिवेटर्स हैं, तो आप उसको रख देंगे, अपने आप वो काम करेगा।
अपने ऑफिस स्पेस में या रेसिडेंस में रख सकते हैं?
यस यस, डेफिनेटली।
Good evening, ma'am, sir. This is Anil Watts.
Yes, yes, tell me, Anil ji.
Sir, I just want to know if there is a telephone tower, mobile tower, and houses of three-story house. So we have to paint the upper story, or we need to use this paint on all the floors?
See, again, you need to have a meter like this, or you have to have a meter like this.
Okay.
These two meters will guide you out of these two, which require, if it is three-story, according to my experience, you have to put the paint on ceiling of each floor. उसको सीलिंग पे
Ceiling of
लगाइए
each
और
floor. Okay. Okay.
सो टॉप फ्लोर के घर में वॉल्स पे भी लगाना चाहिए और
Okay.
नीचे आने के बाद सिर्फ सीलिंग पेंट लगा के अर्थ कर दीजिए। मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से ये इससे सोल्यूशन निकल
Okay.
जाएगा। बट अगेन
That will
इट
work.
डिपेंड अपॉन कितना इंटेंस मोबाइल टावर्स, मोबाइल फोन उससे कनेक्टेड है, वो सब मशीन से चेक करना पड़ता है और उसके हिसाब से उसको पेंट करना पड़ता है। सो इट्स अ बिग स्मॉल फिजिक्स इज इन्वॉल्व बट नॉट टू
Okay.
टेक्निकल। आप सीख सकते हैं, स्टिल वर्क ऑन इट।
Yeah, I am already using this.
वंडरफुल,
So I was
ग्रेट,
just asking about the
परफेक्ट।
paint. Thank you.
Yes, so paint will definitely help you. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So I think I have given you enough input today. सोचिए, देखिए, सेल्फ हेल्प सबसे ज्यादा मैंने कॉन्सेंट्रेट इसीलिए किया कि सेल्फ हेल्प इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। देखिए अपने घर में कैसे रेडिएशन बचाएं, और जब क्लाइंट के पास जाते हैं एज अ वास्तु कंसल्टेंट, क्योंकि मैं आज बहुत सारे वास्तु कंसल्टेंट को देख रहा हूँ, देवेंद्र जी, स्वाति, हेमंत शाह जी तो हमारे पुराने मित्र हैं, बॉम्बे वाले अर्चना इज ऑल्सो देयर, आरवा, मनोज, all of you are eminent Vastu consultants. So when you are practicing Vastu reading, don't ignore this. आचार्य अजय कुमार, आप आपका पूरा मनोबल किया वास्तु की एस्ट्रोलॉजी, but still you have to utilize the radiation science and reduce the problems. Okay? कोशिश करें रेडिएशन को अपने प्रोफेशन में लाएं।
Sorry, sir. Sir, there are two questions on the chat line. Can I just read them out?
Sure.
So Dinesh sir from Mumbai, he's asked, sir, in certain high-rise buildings, the iron rod beams inserted inside the pillars and piling inside the earth.
फोन बंद करेंगे आप? माइक, I can't hear you.
कर दीजिए मैडम।
दीपक जी,
Yes, sir.
HP, मिस्टर HP, आपका भी माइक चालू है। सबके अपने ये बंद कर दें प्लीज, सो आई कैन हियर द क्वेश्चन। म्यूट कर दीजिए।
Yes, sir. So, so the question is, in certain high-rise buildings, the iron rod beams inserted inside the pillars and piling inside the earth, filling. I have noticed a lot of electromagnetic fields are generated, which is very high. My question is, how do we stop them? I notice when we check near the beams, it's very high. Can this should we use paints or fabric for the fabrics for the beams?
Yes, it's a very good question, दिनेश जी, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा है। और इलेक्ट्रिकल रेडिएशंस मेटल में बहुत ज्यादा करती है, क्योंकि मेटल इज एम्पलीफाइज द इलेक्ट्रिकल वाइब्रेशंस। सो जहां लोहे के बीम है या लोहे के गर्डर्स हैं या लोहे की वाइब्रेशन ज्यादा है, तो कंक्रीट कभी कभी पतले कंक्रीट आजकल हम यूज करते हैं, सो रेडिएशंस एंटर्स comes out of the iron rods or the what you call the beams and affects you. So इसमें आप definitely paint use कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए HSF 54 एक पेंट है, वो यूज करें। और if you can shield it with the fabric, then that's also a wonderful idea. You don't need to paint it and you can create a good interior design with the fabric and then clad it. So fabric cladding भी करा जा सकता है, उसके लिए अलग तरह का फैब्रिक आएगा। अब आपको मैं अगर कुछ इसमें बात हो रही है तो कुछ अलग टाइप के प्रोडक्ट भी दिखा देता हूँ वाईशील्ड के। इसमें हमारे पास इस तरह के थिक मैश वाले प्रोडक्ट्स भी आते हैं, which are mesh, which are grid lines, which are not only paints. तो ये जाली जैसे होते हैं, और ये जाली वाले चीजों की भी पूरी फैब्रिक का कॉइल आता है, रोल आता है, जो आप कट करके चारों तरफ से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं बीम्स में, वॉल्स में। दिस मैश आल्सो इज यूज्ड ऑन ड्राई कंस्ट्रक्शन। अगर कोई आर्किटेक्ट है और जानता है कि ड्राई वॉल कंस्ट्रक्शन कैसा होता है, उसमें ये ड्राई वॉल पे भी आप अंदर लगा सकते हैं, प्लास्टर के अंदर, ब्रिक के ऊपर। तो ये जो जाली लगेगी ब्रिक के ऊपर, ये सस्ती भी है, और ये पूरा का पूरा रेडिएशन कंस्ट्रक्शन के समय अगर आप इंप्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं तो आपको पेंट और फैब्रिक और फिल्म लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। If you are making a house, and you know that house is getting constructed और वहाँ पे मोबाइल टावर या रेडियो टावर है जो हिलेगा नहीं, तो जब वॉल जुड़ाई हो रही है, जब ब्रिक वर्क हो रहा है, तभी आप ये मैश यूज कर सकते हैं एज अ सॉल्यूशन एंड देन प्लास्टर इट फ्रॉम द टॉप. सो परमानेंटली वो पूरी वॉल इलेक्ट्रिक ईएमएफ रेडिएटिंग नॉन रेडिएटिंग हो जाती है. ओके, सो आप यूज कर सकते हैं. इट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन एंड अ वेरी रिलेवेंट क्वेश्चन. एंड दीज आर द शेड्स ऑफ द पेंट which I have shown you. Different paints of different color, they are ultimately black in color, but वो अलग-अलग उसके specifications हैं.
सर हाई टेंशन, सर हाई टेंशन के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, high tension के लिए HSF 54. High tension is actually a low frequency radiation and we have a specific paints for that. High tension जनरेटर और ट्रांसफार्मर का पेंट एक ही होता है, एक टाइप का होता है. मोबाइल टावर, रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसीज और वाईफाई का एक अलग टाइप का होता है जिसको हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी कहते हैं. ओके,
HSF 54. ओके, थैंक यू सर.
और मेट्रो स्टेशन के पास जो घर रहते हैं, इलेक्ट्रिकल लाइंस आर आल्सो हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी. रेलवे लाइंस में दो होता है, हाई और लो. तो रेलवे लाइंस के पास भी HSF 54 यूज करेंगे. आपको पेंट हमको गाइड करेंगे कैसे करना है and we can tell you how to use it. Okay, because that is also a very big radiation. अभी हमारा तो मेट्रो लाइन है, but शहरों के पास बॉम्बे में जहाँ पे लोकल ट्रेन्स हैं, वहाँ तो घर के पास से लोकल ट्रेन निकलती है इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्ज पे, वो बहुत ज्यादा रेडिएशन देती है. So there also you need to take care of low frequency radiations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Archana, entangled emotional liberator can be used for tenants not leaving the property. It can be used for places where there is stuckness. लोग अटक गए हैं, पैरासाइट जैसा घर पर अटक गया है और लोग इमोशन से बाहर नहीं निकल रहे हैं. Not only the tenants, you can also use it for the property which you want to sell. Okay, and it is not getting sold. So entangled emotional liberator can help that in that way as well.
ओके सर मेरा ऑडियो कनेक्ट हो गया. एटलीस्ट वन मोर क्वेश्चन. कोई गर्ल्स पहले अफेयर में होती है, नाउ शी इज नॉट रेडी टू गेट मैरिड टू समबडी एल्स, सो उनके इमोशंस को क्या ये वर्क कर सकता है?
आई थिंक सो. आई हैव नॉट यूज्ड इट फॉर दैट पर्पस टिल नाउ. ऐसा कोई क्लाइंट आया नहीं, बट आप यूज करके देखिए अर्चना. हो सकता है कि वो इमोशन, क्योंकि इमोशन तो लिबरेट करेगा ही है, तो हो सकता है कि वो अफेयर उसका छूट जाए. और
नो, अफेयर छूट गया है. दैट गाय इज नॉट अवेलेबल नाउ, बट नाउ शी इज नॉट रेडी टू मैरी विद समबडी एल्स. वो अभी भी वही. हाँ, तो
माइंड में इमोशंस अटके हुए हैं. दैट इमोशन डेफिनेटली entangled emotional liberator will help. That is the purpose of this.
So this is Nadul product, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Yes, Gaurav, after you put the paint, the meter will show the red. Instead of red, it will show green. Okay. So when a fabric or paints are applied, you can actually show to the customer using these meters that the radiation have stopped. और उस घरों में जहाँ पे आप फैब्रिक और ये लगा देंगे, वहां उनके इंटरनेट रेडिएशन भी कम हो जाएगी, उनके वाईफाई चलेंगे नहीं ज्यादा. तो ऐसी जगह पेंट लगाएं जहाँ पे उनको वाईफाई की जरूरत नहीं है, या दे कैन अवॉइड इट फॉर टेकिंग केयर. बट मोबाइल टावर्स के लिए शील्ड कर रहे हैं तो मोबाइल का रेंज कम हो जाएगा, बेडरूम में बाहर जाके बात करनी पड़ेगी या खिड़की खोलनी पड़ेगी. सो इट अल्टीमेटली फिजिकली टेंजिबली रिड्यूसेस द रेडिएशन. और ये वाले जो प्रोडक्ट हैं, ये इंटेंजिबली रिड्यूसेस द रेडिएशन, बिकॉज दिखता नहीं है इसमें. ओके ओके गौरव. Any other questions? Okay, good. So let's call it a day. I hope you have understood. मैंने कोशिश की थोड़ी सी आपको इंफॉर्मेशन देने की, और मैंने कोशिश की कि कुछ तारों को जोड़ने की, कुछ रेडिएशन रिलेटेड क्वेरीज जो मेरे पास आती थी. I thought I should give you a small brief understanding और मेरी कोशिश यही है कि हम लोग अपने घर सबसे पहले ठीक करें, अपने आप को रेडिएशन फ्री करें और अपने परिवार वाले, अपने बच्चों को, एंड देन गो टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल एंड improve all your friends and family. So I am hopeful that architects like Amar, architects like there are some more people here who are architects. They can use this system in their designing, and interior designers and Vastu consultant will at least help their customers and client sleep radiation free and enjoy their life. Okay, so thank you very much, and we'll meet again next Friday. So have a nice weekend.